Knock, knock. It's time to wake up. Hi, guys. It's Thursday, April 2nd. Good morning. I want to have a little conversation about Edsby. I just can't. I guess administration has been getting messages about how it's too difficult to navigate on Edsby. If you guys can make TikToks, you can navigate through Edsby. TikTok is hard. Edsby's easy. Come with me. Okay, I'll show you. You know, it actually really scares me when you say that you don't know how to use Edsby because it's been around. I've been posting grades on Edsby since August. It's been around for a while. You had it in middle school. If you're a junior or a sophomore, you have had it now for 2 or 3 years. Y'all should know how to use Edsby. Come on now. It's okay. I'll teach you. Okay, so when you log into Edsby, you should be here. Mine obviously looks a little bit different than yours. Mine are all Algebra 2s and Algebra 1s. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on Algebra 2. Well, you wanna look at everything, but 2 things that you wanna look at to keep yourself organized. Pinned items and the journal over here. So in these pinned items, you've got reminders from me for every day and this cringy video, which if you haven't watched it yet, go watch it. You've got your worksheets, you've got your answers to 8-1, you've got your answers to 8-2. Over here, you've got your Zoom meeting. You've got all your things that you need in the pinned items. I don't know if all your teachers are doing that, but I am. Over here to the right, you've got your journal entries to do, and then I've got a to-do list there. I don't see how that's difficult, but I get it. Here it is. Now you've seen it. This is the grade. When I go put in a grade on Edsby, it comes up with this little graduation cap. Here's the poll from yesterday. That's poll 4. You see this homework, 8-4, this participation. These are both Edsby grades. These are both things that I can put grades in. So when I go in here and I post grades, poll 4, where do you live? And I save that, that's this participation poll, poll 4, where do you live? That's not the actual answers. If you can make a TikTok, if you can go on Snapchat, if you can scroll through Instagram, if you have a Facebook, you can navigate through Edsby. If you don't see something, nothing gets deleted from there. So you can keep scrolling. If you don't want to read everything that's new, check the pinned items, check the journal, check my work. I'll show you how to get to my work. So when you hover over your class, over here should be my work. Okay, so this is what yours looks like. I'm gonna use one of my A+ students over here. So when you click on my work, so when you open it up, it opens up to this. This girl's got 100, so that's why this line is flat. If you don't have 100, then it's gonna, be jagged up and down. If you click on assessments, that's where you're gonna see all of your work. Over here, she's got 10 out of 10s on everything. Okay, so now we're gonna look at somebody who hasn't done very much. In assessments, as you can see, if you haven't done it, it says not done, overdue, whatever, and it will tell you do 7 days ago, do 3 days ago, do 2 days ago. These 2 I haven't graded yet for this kid. So these say ungraded assessments. These are 3 graded assessments for homeworks, upcoming assessments for homework. Okay, this is for my Algebra 1. So come on now. Are you telling your parents that Edsby is really hard to navigate, or are you just not looking through everything? If it is hard to navigate, hi, I'm in Zoom twice a day. Show up anytime and ask me a question about Edsby. I can share my screen with you. I can show you how Edsby works. But don't sit there and say, I don't get it, so I can't do it. Persevere. Persevere. Be strong. You can do this. Peace out, everybody. I gotta go edit this now. Yay!